Cricket was introduced by Britain in India, and since, it has just expanded its love and passion in every fan's heart. We all love cricket as a sport, and when time passed, it became another name of passion. Cricket and cricketers have a separate space in everyone's heart. Today, we are going to see about 10 greatest Indian cricketers who is loved by all. Before we are going to video, please do subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, hit the bell icon and share it with your friends. Number 10. Sunil Gavaskar. Sunil Manohar Gavaskar is a former cricketer who played during the 1970s and 1980s for the Bombay cricket team and also India. He was widely regarded as one of the greatest opening batsmen in cricket history. Gavaskar set world records during his career for the most test runs and most test centuries scored by any batsman. He scored the record of 34 test centuries for almost 2 decades before it was broken by Sachin Tendulkar in December 2005. Gavaskar was widely admired for his technique against fast bowling, with a particularly high average of 65.45 against the West Indies, who possessed a 4-pronged fast bowling attack, regarded as the most vicious in Test history. In 2012, Gavaskar was awarded the Call C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award for cricket in India. Number 9. Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev is a former Indian cricketer and captained the Indian cricket team, which won the 1983 Cricket World Cup for the first time. He was named by Wisden as the Indian Cricketer of the Century in 2002. Kapil Dev was one of the greatest all-rounders of all time. He was also India's national cricket coach for 10 months between October 1999 and August 2000. The state of Haryana had nicknamed him as the Hurricane of Cricket, and also he represented the Haryana cricket team in domestic cricket. He retired in 1994, holding the world record for the most number of wickets taken in Test cricket. Later it was broken by Courtney Walsh in 2000. At the time, he was also India's highest wicket taker in both major forms of cricket, Tests and ODIs. During his career, he is the only player in the history of cricket to have taken more than 400 wickets and scored more than 5,000 runs in Tests, making him one of the greatest all-rounders to have played the game. On the 8th of March 2010, Kapil Dev was inducted into the ICC Cricket Hall of Fame. Number 8. Virender Sehwag. Virender Sehwag is a former Indian cricketer and aggressive right-handed opening batsman and a part-time right-arm off-spin bowler. He played his first one-day international in 1999 and joined the Indian Test team in 2001. In April 2009, Sehwag became the only Indian to be honored as the Wisden leading cricketer in the world for his performance in 2008, subsequently becoming the first player of any nationality to retain the award for 2009. Sehwag holds multiple records, including the highest score made by an Indian in Test cricket, which was also the fastest triple century in the history of international cricket, as well as the fastest 250 runs by any batsman. Sehwag also holds the distinction of being one of 4 batsmen in the world to have ever surpassed 300 runs twice in Test cricket, and the only one to score 2 triple centuries and take a 5-wicket innings haul. In March 2009, Sehwag smashed the fastest century ever scored by an Indian in ODI cricket from 60 balls. On the 8th of December 2011, he hit his maiden double century in ODI cricket against West Indies, becoming the second batsman, after Sachin Tendulkar, to reach the landmark. He is the only player in the world to score a double hundred in ODI and a triple hundred in Test cricket. Number 7. Sourav Ganguly. Sourav Chandi Das Ganguly, was affectionately known as Dada, is a former Indian cricketer and captain of the Indian national team. Currently, he is a cricket commentator and president of the editorial board with Wisden India. He is regarded as one of India's most successful captains in modern times. He started his career by playing in state and school teams. Currently, he is the 5th highest run scorer in one-day internationals and was the 3rd person in history to cross the 10,000 run landmark after Sachin Tendulkar. In 2002, the Wisden Cricketers Almanac ranked him the 6th greatest ODI batsman of all time, next to Sir Vivian Richards, Sachin Tendulkar, Brian Lara, Dean Jones, and Michael Bevan. Ganguly was awarded the Padma Shri Award in 2004, one of the India's highest civilian awards. Number 6. Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid is a former Indian cricketer and captain, widely regarded as one of the greatest batsmen in the history of cricket. Dravid was named as the Wall of Indian Cricket during his time. He was one of the best 5 cricketers of the year by Wisden Cricketers Almanac in 2000 and received the Player of the Year and the Test Player of the Year awards at the inaugural of ICC Awards ceremony in 2004. In December 2011, he became the first non-Australian cricketer to deliver the Bradman Oration in Canberra. As of October 2012, Dravid is the 4th highest run scorer in Test cricket, after Sachin Tendulkar, Ricky Ponting, and Jacques Kallis, and is only the 2nd Indian cricketer after Tendulkar to score 10,000 runs, both in Tests and in ODIs. In 2004, after completing his century against Bangladesh in Chittagong, he became the first and the only player till date to score a century in all the 10 test-playing countries. As of October 2012, he holds the record for the most number of catches taken by a player in Test cricket with 210 catches. Rahul Dravid, along with Glenn McGrath, were honored during the 7th annual Bradman Awards function in Sydney on the 1st of November 2012. Dravid has also been honored with the Padma Bhushan Award, India's third highest civilian award. Number 5. Yuvraj Singh. Yuvraj Singh is an Indian international cricketer. He is an all-rounder who bats left-handed in the middle order and bowls slow left-arm orthodox. He is the son of former Indian fast bowler and Punjabi actor Yogiraj Singh. Yuvraj has been a member of the Indian cricket team in ODIs since 2000 and played his first test match in 2003. He was the vice-captain of the ODI team from late 2007 and late 2008. He was the man of the tournament in the 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup, and one of the top performers at the 2007 ICC World T20, both of which India won. In a match against England at the 2007 World T20, he famously hit 6 sixes in 1 over, bowled by Stuart Broad, a feat performed only 3 times previously in any form of senior cricket and never in an international match between 2 test cricket teams. Yuvraj was conferred with the Arjuna Award, India's second highest sporting award, in the year 2012 by the President of India Pranab Mukherjee. In 2014, he was awarded the Padma Shri, India's 4th highest civilian honour. Number 4. Suresh Raina. Suresh Kumar Raina is an Indian cricketer from Rainawari, Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. He is an attacking left-handed middle-order batsman and an occasional off-spin bowler. He plays for Uttar Pradesh in all forms of domestic cricket and the vice-captain of Chennai Super Kings in the Indian Premier League. He has also captained the Indian cricket team, and is the second youngest player to captain India. He is only Indian to score a century in all 3 formats of the game. He is also the highest run getter, and has taken the most catches in the IPL. Raina made his ODI debut in 2005, against Sri Lanka at the age of 18. However, his test debut came only 5 years later, in 2010, against the same opposition. He scored 120 runs in his first test match itself. Also, he holds the record for having played the most ODIs before making test debut. He was a part of India's World Cup winning team of 2011. Number 3. Rohit Sharma. Rohit Gurunath Sharma is the current opener for the Indian cricket team, and is in like manner the vice-captain of the Indian gathering. He started his calling in 2007, when he was 20 years old, and at present, positioned second on the overview of 10 best ODI batsmen in the world. Rohit Sharma had hit the record of the most runs in an ODI match in the world at 264 runs. Similarly, he has the number of double centuries scored by any cricketer in the world in the ODI plan with 3 full centuries. Number 2. Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is an Indian cricketer, a middle-order batsman who can also bowl right-arm, medium pace. Kohli captained the victorious Indian team at the 2008 Under-19 Cricket World Cup held in Malaysia. Kohli represents Delhi in first-class cricket and played for the West Delhi Cricket Academy. In one-day international cricket, Kohli holds the record for the fastest century by an Indian batsman and became the fastest to 1700s in ODI by any batsman. He is the 4th batsman in ODIs after Saurav Ganguly, Sachin Tendulkar and Mahendra Singh Dhoni to hit 1000 or more ODI runs in 3 or more consecutive calendar years. He also holds the record for most centuries in chases, with 11 centuries behind only Sachin Tendulkar. He is the first batsman to make 5 successive scores of 50 or more in ODIs in 2 separate occasions. Kohli was the recipient of the ICC ODI Player of the Year award in 2012. In October 2013 against Australia, Kohli smashed the fastest ODI century by an Indian, the 7th fastest ever. In November 2013, he became the top-ranked ODI batsman for the first time. Kohli also received the Man of the Tournament during the 2014 T20 World Cup in Bangladesh. Number 1. Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin has all the records that every cricketer dreams. He is called the master of cricket, or rather says, the god of cricket. Starting his career in the age of 16, he became the youngest player to debut for India in tests at the age of 16 years. He is the only player to have scored 100 international centuries, the first batsman to score a double century in a one-day international. He is the only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. In 2002, Wisden Cricketer's Almanac ranked him the second greatest test batsman of all time, behind Don Bradman, and the second greatest ODI batsman of all time, behind Sir Vivian Richards. He has won many awards in his cricketing career. These include Arjuna Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Padma Shri, and the Padma Vibhushan Award. Moreover, he is the youngest recipient to date and the first ever sportsperson to receive the Bharat Ratna Award, India's highest civilian award. And finally, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a favorite cricketer for all the Indians, mostly for youngsters. He is a former captain of the Indian national cricket team and an attacking right-handed middle-order batsman and wicket-keeper. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest finishers in limited overs cricket. He made his one-day international debut in December 2004 against Bangladesh and played his first test a year later against Sri Lanka. He also holds his spot as the most famous and successful captain of the Indian national cricket team in all three forms of the game. He led the Indian team to the number 1 position in ICC rankings in Test cricket for the first time. Under his captaincy, India won the 2007 ICC World T20 and 2011 ICC ODI Cricket World Cup. Dhoni is the first Indian player who achieves the ICC ODI Player of the Year award in 2 consecutive years in 2008 and 2009. He received many more awards, like the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award and the Padma Shri Award, India's 4th highest civilian honor in 2009. The Time magazine added him in its Time 100, the list of 100 most influential people of 2011. SportsPro has also rated MS Dhoni as the 16th most remarkable athlete in the world. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I left any cricketer or if you want to say any greatest cricketer, just feel free to say in the comment section. We'll try to cover that in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Bye.